There's a lot of people who are like really big cryptocurrency fans, for example, who have, they love Andrew Yang. And when I talk to them, they're like, yeah, ask him about crypto. What would you do with regards to regulation of that and say Bitcoin exchanges? Do you support the right of people to use their bank accounts, credit cards, et cetera, to move into cryptocurrencies and other forms of money that aren't as easily tracked by centralized authorities?
Well, what I would say is that we need to have a uniform set of rules and regulations around cryptocurrency use nationwide, because right now we're stuck with this hodgepodge of state-by-state treatments, and it's bad for everybody. It's bad for innovators who want to invest in this space. So that would be my priority, is just clear and transparent rules so that everyone knows where they can head in the future and that we can maintain competitiveness. Because to me, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies is very, very high potential, and we should be investing in it.
But do you support sort of monetary freedom for people that want to move their money away from fiat currencies, get their money out of the banking system into cryptocurrencies? Because right now you have banks restricting payments to these platforms and so forth, and people feel like government regulations are essentially impeding in their desire to do that.
Well, right now, people who are investing in these currencies are finding a way to, to do so and make use of their investments. No, I don't think that you could impede it with regulation if you tried.
I don't think you could impede it if you tried. Andrew Yang is the cryptocurrency president. Change my mind. He's the only one talking about it. Or do you think Donald Trump is the cryptocurrency president? I mean, he is the first sitting president to talk about it. He says, I am not a fan of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are not money, whose value is highly volatile and based on thin air. Unregulated crypto assets can facilitate unlawful behavior, including drug trade and other illegal activities. Andrew Yang says it's inevitable and we can't stop it. It's happening regardless, and we need clear regulations. So who do you think would be the best president for Bitcoin? Donald Trump or Andrew Yang? If you like Donald Trump better, I want you to tell me why, because he seems kind of close-minded on the issue. I want to hear from you. Pretend you're a single issue voter and your issue is Bitcoin/cryptocurrency. Who do you vote for? Do you vote Donald Trump or do you vote Andrew Yang? And keep in mind, you are a single issue voter. Who is better for Bitcoin, Trump or Yang? I just posted this. Since this video isn't out when I posted this, the majority of people haven't voted yet, so your vote can still make a difference. Right now, Andrew Yang is in the lead, over 50%. Donald Trump is second, and show results is a close third. So like this, retweet this. Let's try and get a huge sample size on this one. Now, let's get to the most pressing issues of the day. Bitcoin's price is pumping. I want to talk about that. I want to put it in context, the bigger picture, talking more long term. And then let's get to the recent news. I'm going to keep you informed, everything going on that's worthy enough to talk about going on in the space today. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. Like the video, support the channel. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for our daily videos, keeping you informed on everything going on in the space. This is stuff the mainstream media does not talk about. Before we get to Binance, before we get to Coinbase, take a look at this. For the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has been consolidating near the 2020 highs, been consolidating around 9,300. We tried to pop just an hour ago. We got pushed up, pushed down, and right now, this current minute, Bitcoin is about to break 2020 highs. Right now, we are at 9,400. Could we get to 10,000 before the month closes? The month closes in less than 24 hours. And speaking about that, Bitcoin closes the month tomorrow, today. A close above 9,158 prints a higher high on the monthly close for the first time since June of 2019. There's also a bullish cross on the MACD above 0. It's difficult to have a bearish argument, to be honest. And you can see that here. If we close above 9,158, this is a new higher high on the monthly chart, and that is a really good sign. So you'll have to tell me what the price of Bitcoin is when you watch this video, and if Bitcoin does ever pop up like it's about to. But let's get to some recent news. Binance US now offers staking rewards for these two cryptocurrencies. The overall point of this story right here is you can see the way this space is heading, in that major exchanges are offering staking. And when retail people get back into this space, it's going to be very easy for them to keep their coins on Binance or keep their coins on Coinbase and stake. So the story here today is that Binance US has joined other major exchanges in the staking game, adding staking rewards for cryptocurrencies Algo and Cosmos, which is also called Atom. So this was announced just Wednesday. Binance US now joins Kraken and Coinbase in offering staking rewards on POS coins, though the latter two exchanges only offer staking on Tezos at the moment, and Binance US currently offers 28 cryptocurrencies on its platform. So you can see the way this industry is trending. And speaking of Coinbase and speaking of staking, this to go even further, posted just an hour ago, Coinbase custody and Bison trails to lobby staking adoption. Check this out. Coinbase custody and Bison trails have joined the ranks of the Proof of Stake Alliance, POSA, as of January 30th, today. Together with the alliance, they will advocate for the adoption of clear regulations on staking proceeds, as well as other development initiatives. The organization's primary goal is to change the taxation regime for staking rewards. They say, first, POSA is working to address how staking rewards received by token holders are taxed. POSA is currently trying to differentiate tax treatment from Bitcoin mining guidance so that staking rewards are taxed on the disposition of the asset, the sale of the reward, as opposed to the receipt. And just so you know, both mining and staking rewards are currently taxed in the US as direct income, which offers a much higher rate than capital gains tax, normally reserved for traditional assets. So the crypto companies have their own lobbyists now, and they're trying to change the game. They're trying to do what Andrew Yang would do and provide clear regulations, because this stuff is inevitable. By the way, have you voted in the poll yet? You need to vote in the poll. It's going to be fun to see the results. And speaking of Coinbase, just two more Coinbase headlines for you. Coinbase hires Google VP as Chief Product Officer, and Coinbase custody goes international with new entity in Ireland. So people are still building out. And final story, Bittrex, the exchange, takes out a record $300 million insurance policy on the crypto it holds in cold storage. So don't worry, funds are safe-oo. All right, that is it for me today, my friends. Let's take a quick look at the price of Bitcoin, and we're making a new 2020 high, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, the price is $9,500. We're pumping up. Can we reach 10,000 before the end of the month? Of course, eventually, we're going to need to come back down and see if we can find some support and make a new higher low, and then eventually, hopefully, a new higher high. This is turning out to be a great start to 2020. Tell me what you think below. And if you want to stick around for another 30 seconds, let's take a look at our Twitter. Going to the Altcoin daily account, so far over 200 people have voted in this poll. It's only been up for about an hour and a half. Tweeted this out last night. You don't have the guts to buy Bitcoin at 9.2K. I guess some people did. All right, I think that's it. Anything else? Anything else of note? Oh, okay. This person tweeted at us the other day. So I'm not too into the whole Twitter thing, but to whoever reads this, invest in crypto. It'll change your life for the better. Just do it smart. Don't follow sheep by buying high and selling low. Follow Altcoin Daily and Nicholas Merton for great coverage of the markets. I like that. And I retweeted it. Love your videos. Keep up the good work. I like to retweet people who tweet pleasant things at us. All right. That's it, guys. See you tomorrow.